Hello folks, we are taking up the exercise 1.5 now. We have already finished the exercise 1.4. Now we are coming to the exercise 1.5. What did we observe in the previous exercise? We were looking at, though we have understood what is set, we were looking at the different operations on the set. And in the previous exercises, we got to know about the three operations. That was union, intersection and difference of set. We have done those three operations. We are gradually proceeding to another operation that is called as complementation. That's what we are doing over here. Complement is very easy. In the previous exercise, we learned about universal set. So, given a set A complement will be all those elements from the universal set which is not there in the set A. So, just pick up from the universal set those elements which are not there in set A, and that becomes the complement. Kind of in some sense opposite, or like they two together, A and A complement together can make the universal set. So as we see the problems, it will become very clear. So the fourth operation, that's called as complementation. So let's come across the problems. Question number 1 in this is our exercise 1.5 part 1, and we are looking at the first question. The universal set, the set A, the set B and the set C is being given to us, and they ask us to find out group of things. These are the things which we are supposed to find out. So we will be doing that by looking at the problems that is being given over here. Quite easy, as I told you. Roughly I have given you an idea that when we talk about complement, we are looking at those elements from the universal set which are there in A. So A complement, I will just read through so that we are familiar. U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 9. Those are the elements. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 2, 4, 6, 8. And C is 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the elements. Now A complement means it is going to be all those elements from the universal set which is not there in E. So you can take this A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the universal set, we do not want 1, 2, 3, 4. What is left? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all. So this is going to be elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is about the A complement. Now we come across B complement, all the elements of the universal set which are there in B. So B complement is 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. We don't want it. Take the other elements. So it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That's about it. So that becomes B complement. Now we come to A union C complement. Fair enough. But for that you should know what is A union C. So let's figure out. What is A union C? Somewhere here, let's write it down. What is A union C means? We have learnt in the previous class, all the elements of A, all the elements of C, the common elements written only once. So A union C is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, 6. Obviously, A union C complement is going to be all those from the universal set. We are excluding this, and this is very easily the first 6 elements. So you can just remove the first 6 elements. Remaining elements are 7, 8, 9. Quite easy. Then we have A union B complement. Same idea. So let's have roughly what is this A union B first. Let's get so that we can get the complement. A union B for us is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's A. And B will have 2, it has got 4. So we only have to list 6 and 8. We have to get its complement. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8 is there. We cannot take them. So remaining elements. The remaining elements are 5, 7, it is there. So 5, 7 and 9. Just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is about the complement. Then we have A complement, its complement. So we have A complement already. Its complement means elements from the universal set which is not there here. That means from this universal set 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 we remove. So what is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we observe? Indirectly that becomes equal to A. So actually we have observed that this is becoming equal to A. That is what we have observed. Okay. Now B minus C complement. So first roughly figure out what is B minus C. B minus C means from B remove the common elements. So from B and C, the common elements, what are the common elements? 4 is common, then 6 is common. So from B, remove the common elements. So you are having 2 and 8. And B minus C complement means from universal set, this you have to remove. I mean, you have to take away and the remaining. So 2 and 8 is removed, everything else is there. So 1 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is not there, then 9 is there. So that is about the complement. Quite easy. Once you are given the universal set, just pick up and do your problems. That is about the question number 1. Now we quickly move to the question number 2. Similar question. They give you a set. They give you U, they give you A, they give you B, they give you C, they give you D, and they have asked you to find out the complements of these 4 things. So it's same idea we are going to use there, and we are going to find out how the answer is. Universal set is all the alphabets from A to H. The set A is A, B, C, set B is D, E, F, G, set C is A, C, E, G, and D is F, G, H, and A. So with the help of this, let's find out what is A complement. A is A, B, C. Automatically, the complement is going to be D, E, F, G, and H. Then B is a set D, E, F, G. So the B complement is going to be A, B, C, and H. Then C is A, C, E. Now that's quite not so good. So A, C, E, and G. So we have to take up elements which are not there. So what will come? B will come, D will come, F will come, and H will come. So that is a C complement. Then comes to D complement. Now this also let's mark it because we may miss certain things. G is there, then H is there, then F is there, and A is there. So when we write the complement, you have to take up these, just pick up the elements which are not here. So that means it is going to be B, C, D,